Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2012 VE Commodore Omega International wagon, stock reference number 5439. The shape runs from the 8th month 2009 through to the 4th month 2013. It has an LF1 3-litre V6 petrol engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. LF1 3-litre V6 petrol engine. We have a right-hand headlight, radiator grille, left power door mirror, left rear door appears to have no damage, left rear 18 inch VF Sv6 alloy mag with a good tyre. Tailgate has 2 small dents, tidy rear bumper cover, right hand tail light, right rear VF Sv6 alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door appears to have no damage, right front door has 1 small dent, right power door mirror, right guard has no damage, and a right front 18 inch VF Sv6 alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey leather interior, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, single stack CD player, display screen, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons.